This guy found this old Rolex watch in a trash. He brings it home. You won't believe the end results. He cleans it with water. He removes all the rust and dust. He washes the dial and opens it. He carefully cleans the dial, the needle and straps. He washes the dial with solution all internally, fixes the needle, removes rust from the case, starts fixing the watch to make a new Rolex, fixes the needles with details, cleans the case with rust remover. He works carefully to make sure everything fixed as it was 50 years ago. Here is what he got at the end.